me, Kaylee, and Antoinette. And today, don't mind the background noises. My brother's crying right now because he's not getting what he wants. So today we're playing with slime.
And making slime better.
Okay. So, some of my slimes are super sticky. Like, I'm not going to lie. Scoop over Antoinette. Because she has a bunch of room. Alright. Okay. And so, we're going to be making them better. So, let me go get my activator.
Where's your other activator?
Over here.
Okay, look. I'm just stabbing coals and it looks like that.
Guys, I have lots of slimes.
And you squeeze it after and it makes that noise.
This is
so
okay,
cool.
scoot over.
Okay.
I have a whole bottle of activator. We're just
And she has two of them.
You want to see this?
Okay, scoot over. Eden! Oh, guys. Okay.
Oh, we're also going to be doing some asthma for y'all today.
Huh?
Asthma.
Yeah.
Do you know what that is?
Mm-hmm.
What?
Tell me. And I'll tell you.
When you play with slime.
Yeah. That's what I was going to say. Look at that big bottle!
Oh my.
Alright, ready?
Okay, so first, okay, so look, we're gonna, hold on, Kaylee, move.
Hey.
What?
Here.
I thought he was over.
Yeah, I got paper.
Look, okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour activator
In this.
Yes.
And then we're just going to take our spots and pour a bunch of activator and then start playing with our slimes in the activator. Just to make them better.
Yeah. But
But
you
don't
don't
pour a
want your
lot of
slimes that.
activator. Mix them together because if you pour a lot of activator.
Oh my gosh, I got the cap stuck. Oh look, it's a slime cap. Okay, Kaylee, move.
Antoinette, this tide might make it bad on your slime.
Okay, so for a point, we're using Tide.
Yeah, to make them better. Because we don't like Gain because Gain melts it.
Yeah.
So I think the slime has improved. Look at this.
Look at this, guys. Okay,
It's
scoot
kind of
over,
thick
scoot
right
over.
now. I'm trying. Scoot over.
Like, the couch is
Okay, let's just sit on the floor.
Holy crap.
Alright, now you guys can see us. And tonight got some giant wallops.
No, I can't move because that's hard.
Can we open it? Whoa, Antoinette. Can we open it? Oh, this is one of the slimes we will be playing with. We have a lot of slimes, guys.
Yeah, we have a lot of slimes too.
Alright, so this slime is good. So we're going to put it both in the container.
Okay, I need my cap.
Next slime. Pick the next slime. I'm doing this next.
I'm doing this slime.
That one is really foamy, and so is this one.
I'm
We're
gonna
gonna have to fix. No, get the foamy slime
I don't know where it is.
right there. It'll be better because we can fix them. All right, guys, we're gonna fix them right now. So we're just gonna play with them.
We're gonna play with them, and if they don't work, and then
We're gonna be sad.
we're gonna be sad. Look, I'm squeezing the heck out of it,
Yeah, you want to squeeze a lot of the foam.
and you don't want to make slime like this.
This is for
Because then
slime.
you're gonna look, Kaylee. It's not getting better.
How did you know?
What the hell?
Did you know it to 100?
It's kind of weird. Yeah, I can't.
She has one.
Oh my god, guys. This improved.
Huh?
Pop it again.
Kaylee, you
This
put
is
this one.
improved. Antoinette don't know how to improve slime.
Okay, can you like not have it like that?
You know his shirt here, right?
Do our background white. No, we need it all white so they don't see the background. What we have behind us. Better?
Yeah.
It's not lighter.
This one.
Alright, ready? Ready? This improved. Put your top on. Aiden, make sure you put your tops back on.
Okay, so
Next, I'm going. Did I already do this? Yep. Alright, next is going to be this one. So, this is a stretchy slime. I already did that.
Oh.
So we already did that, so you do this one. Okay. So this is a good slime. It has a lot of glitter in it. If you guys could see the glitter. If my camera decides to focus today.
I gotta use the restroom.
You guys can't see the glitter probably.
Okay, this one's a good slime.
Poke.
Let's see how I just poke it and poke it.
You're so freaking cute. She's poking you. Guys, we're going to see who can make the best bubble, okay? Ready? Probably Antoinette.
Yes.
Alright, time to switch. Oh, next we're going to do the slime switch challenge. Alright, so
We did all the slimes.
thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to always be a Unistitch. Make sure to click the like button and subscribe. Bye!